In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a post on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Boosting a post on LinkedIn is an effective way to increase the visibility of your content and reach a wider audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. It's crucial to ensure that you have everything in order before you proceed. You need to meet a few requirements to boost a post successfully. Make sure you have a LinkedIn ad account set up with a valid payment method linked to it. This is essential because boosting your post requires funds. Also, you should have either Content Admin or Super Admin access to the LinkedIn page where the post is located. Without these permissions, you won't be able to boost the content. Next, take a moment to check if your post meets the eligibility criteria. LinkedIn allows boosts on certain types of content, including text, images, articles, videos, and newsletters. However, keep in mind that job posts, events, documents, polls, and group posts are not eligible for boosting at this time. Now, let's locate the post you want to promote. Go to your LinkedIn page and find the specific post that you wish to boost. Once you've found it, move your cursor to the upper right-hand corner of the post where you will see 3 dots or more options. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Boost. If you don't see this option, I recommend double-checking your permissions to make sure you have the right access and confirming whether the post you're trying to promote is eligible for boosting. After you click on Boost, you'll be prompted to configure your promotion settings. This is where you can really tailor your boost to reach the right people. Start by defining your target audience. You can set parameters such as location, job title, industries, and more, all tailored to fit your desired demographic. Next, set your budget for the promotion. Determine how much you're willing to spend in total and how this breaks down over the duration of the boost. It's important to choose a budget that aligns with your goals for engagement and reach. Speaking of duration, you will also need to choose how long you want the promotion to run. It can be for a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on your strategy and goals. Finally, take a moment to review all your settings before you finalize the process. Double-check your audience settings, budget, and duration. Once you're satisfied with everything, confirm your choices to start the boost. That's all there is to it. Boosting a post on LinkedIn can significantly enhance your visibility and engagement. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.